For this project, I'm using flat back rhinestones. These are actually left over from my Chanel brooch project, and I'm using this clip that I got from the 99-cent store. First thing you're going to do is just go ahead and clip off how many rhinestones you're going to use at once. I'm doing 4 up, so I'm going to keep that consistent 4 amount throughout all of the letters, just for continuity and height consistency. And you just peel them up, and these are actually really cool because they're kind of connected together, and you just peel and stick, and you're going to keep repeating that process in the form of the letters that you want all throughout the project. What inspired this project is actually I saw a girl on Instagram and she was slaying in a barrette that said Gucci, and I just wanted to try to see if I could recreate it. That's why I'm actually using leftover rhinestones and didn't go and get some smaller rhinestones so that I'd actually be able to fit the word Gucci. I'm just using these kind of too big for this rhinestones to do it, and I thought Dior was simple, 4 words, and the lettering in Dior is really simple to create. Like the eye that I'm about to make is literally just 4 rhinestones straight down. You want to make sure they are straight though, because as you can see, mine were a little crooked when I first put them on. I had to do a little boot, scoot, and boogie to get them in the right spot, but I saw hers and hers said Gucci, and it was so fly, and I was like, oh, I'm making that. So I'm doing Dior for this one, but I am going to do a Gucci one. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see me do the Gucci one too. This project is so simple, a kindergartner could do it. I mean, if you gave them the instructions on how to form the letters. But it is really just peel, stick, and do it in the right form. They're going to be like kind of like blocky letters because you can't really round it out and with these letters, which is funny because they round themselves. Anyways. Yeah, just keep building. For the O, I did 4 down like all the other letters and then 1 across, but it actually made like 3 across when they all came together. And as you see, it's starting to come together, my little Dio. The R was actually the trickiest, which is probably to be expected because there's so many little pieces, and I wasn't sure that I was going to get the right shape, but after a little trial and error, I finally got it right. To form the top of the R, I just used 3 rhinestones, and I actually had to put them on individually. And then to do the extended leg part, I used 2 additional rhinestones and just stuck them kind of straight off to an angle to where it looked like those 4 rhinestones kind of made a straight diagonal line. If that makes sense. Sorry, it's super early and I'm so tired, but I wanted to get this video up for you guys. Let me know in the comments what you thought. As always, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't already, please go ahead. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.